Hey everyone, I'm Fred Rittenauer with Perma USA. Today I want to give you a quick overview of the Perma STAR VARIO Bluetooth, our smart connected lubricator designed to make maintenance faster, safer, and more efficient. The STAR VARIO Bluetooth is built for single-point lubrication on critical components: bearings, linear guides, chains, gear racks, and other moving parts that depend on consistent, accurate lubrication. It is especially useful on equipment like electric motors, where precise grease delivery directly impacts their performance and uptime. The system uses a reusable electromechanical drive paired with a LC cartridge available in 60, 120, 250, and 500 cc. It builds pressure up to 109 psi, allowing remote mounting up to 16 feet from lubrication points. It performs reliably from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and the backlit LCD and LED indicators give you quick visibility into operating status. The Bluetooth capabilities let you operate the system through Perma Connect, giving you real-time access to configuration, control, and status updates right from your mobile device. No need to remove guards or enter hazardous areas just to verify a lubricator. And while the standard STAR VARIO Bluetooth works without a gateway, you can integrate a Bluetooth gateway to extend communication in larger facilities. With Perma Connect, you can see your lubricators in one dashboard, plan service intervals, and monitor performance remotely, eliminating manual checks and guesswork. The STAR VARIO Bluetooth is a smart, efficient solution for teams looking to improve maintenance, reliability, and safety. To learn more, visit permausa.com or connect with the team at Livingston Haven.